effects and solutions. The primary causes include illegal logging, unsustainable land conservation, mining activities, and natural disasters. During Marcos regime, unregulated logging concession fueled extensive forest loss, a trend that continued post-1986. Population growth and urbanization have increased demand for land, agriculture, and infrastructure. Slash and farming practices, especially among indigenous people, additionally also contribute to forest clearance. Additionally, climate change intensifies natural calamities and like typhoons and floods further damaging forests. The consequences are multifaceted. Biodiversity loss is critical remaining endemic species, losing their habitats, risking extinction. Deforestation also exacerbates climate change by reducing Earth's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide, leading to increased greenhouse gases. It causes soil erosion, flooding, and landslide, damaging communities and infrastructure. Water resources are affected as forest acts watersheds. Under destruction disrupts water cycles, leading to droughts and reduced agricultural productivity. Moreover, deforestation displaces indigenous peoples, undermining their livelihood and cultural heritage. Addressing this issue requires a comprehensive approach. The Philippine government has initiated programs like National Greening Program, focusing on deforestation and forest protection through tree planting activities and legislation, promoting community-based reforestation and indigenous communities management are vital. As seen in projects like rainforestation and indigenous-led restoration efforts. Land use practices, stricter enforcement of forestry laws, and raising public awareness about conservation are also crucial. Additionally, projects such as bamboo reforestation and native tree planting helps restore ecosystem while providing